Hey guys, it's Posh. It's Tosh here. Hi Posh peeps. I am doing spicy noodles. It's not the 2 times spicy noodles. It's just spicy noodles. The kind you can get from Walmart. I'm going to do them with chopsticks for the first time. Alright, let me go get me something to drink. Alright, I'm back. So, noodles. Oh, this could be a thumbnail. Hold on. So yeah. Having fun in the name of Jesus, thank you for this food we're about to receive in your son Jesus' name. Amen. Okay. Now it's time to dig in. Move this closer to me. These are regular noodles, and then I use the spicy noodle packs, and I put butter in it too, so I got me some papaya juice and sweet tea. That's what I got. Well, there was some juice in here. Man. So I got 2 packs. It's spicy, y'all, but it ain't that spicy. But anyway, how have you guys been doing today? My day has been hectic, but I got my lawnmower going. Sorry, y'all. I got my lawnmower going. I got my kitchen done as far as like cleaned or whatnot, because it's hard when I got these babies. I got my couch from the basement out to my brother's house. I gave him a couch. What else did I do? I got to swing over to my sister, because she had a baby. And she had a baby boy. And my baby is 8 months. She can't fit the swing anymore, but her baby is, I think he's like 6 months maybe. And he's so small because he's just a miracle baby. I love him so much. I call him my son. So yeah, I'm learning how to use these chopsticks. Look at that. Here you go. Try not to get in on my white shirt. Ooh. My tea is frozen, so that's why I bring the papaya juice, because I was like, if I can't get no tea out of there, I'm going to be hurt. So, yeah. Whew. That was intense right there, y'all. It's spicy. But it ain't that spicy because my nose ain't running yet. I'm almost halfway through these things. So what did I eat today? I didn't eat nothing today. It's my first meal and it's 8 o'clock at night. Or is it 8 o'clock? Let me see. Yep, 7:50. 8 o'clock at night. Mm. Mm. So yeah, I usually eat my noodles like this, but I've been watching people on YouTube eat noodles, and that's not how they eat them on YouTube, so it really is. I like the thickness of papaya juice because it like, especially when I'm eating something hot, it like coats my tongue or whatnot. It's like a juice form of milk. So yeah. I was craving noodles today and seafood. Y'all do not want to know what y'all thought. Y'all do not want to know what I was going to do. Yes, y'all do. I was going to put I was going to de-shell a whole bunch of snow crab because I have those. I don't have any king crab and I'm so sad about it, but I was going to de-shell some snow crab and put it in my noodles. That's what I was about to do. Swear. I was about to do that and then I realized how long it's going to take because they're frozen. So I didn't do it, y'all. But I'm gonna have me some crab legs soon. Snow crab, king crab, I don't care what crab. It looks like this is about to be a short video. So
Mommy.
yes.
Those are noodles.
Those are hot, ma'am.
Those are noodles.
You can't have any noodles. Let's go watch TV. Let's go check on your sister. Come on. I'm back, y'all. My little ones needed some attention. And y'all know mommy gotta give it to them. So yeah, that's what happened just now. But anyway. Other than that, that was my day. I was sad because I thought I lost a friend, but I guess I didn't, so he's still my friend. Now I'm happy about it because I thought we were close. I think we're close. Good friends. I don't really have a lot of friends, y'all. So y'all are my friends, okay? Y'all are my friends. And that's final. Yeah, I'm trying to get these noodles off this bowl. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's just a little bit in there. And I'm just going to scoop them on out. I might grab this fork right here. I was trying so hard not to get nothing on my white shirt. Fail, fail, fail. It's all the chopsticks' fault. That's it, that's all. That's done. So, I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's definitely something on my shirt. It's so good, y'all. So, I've ordered the 2-time spicy noodle sauce, and my order got canceled twice. And I don't understand what's going on with that. So, I'm going to try to reorder it with a different card. That's all I can do. So, I'm trying to get it for y'all, so I could do the chicken challenge. So yeah, that's on my agenda. So you guys, tell me how you guys' day were. Let me know in the comments what you guys did today. Thanks for coming to my channel, watching my videos. Thank you for supporting me, guys. Let's get my subscriber count up, up, up. And again, you guys have an awesome, wonderful day. Bye.